Hello students, in this video we are going to learn the fourth unit of English Standard 4th. This unit is divided into two parts. The first part is the poem and the next one is a lesson. Name of this poem is Why. This poem is divided into 4 stanzas. So here is the first stanza. Name of the poem is Why, and now we shall read the poem first. I know a curious little boy. Now the meaning of curious is a person who wants to know about things. Now here the person who is curious is a little boy who is always asking why. So he is always asking why. Why does he ask why? Because he wants to know about things. Why this? Why that? Why then? Why now? So you also must be asking your parents, your grandparents about things that mummy, why is this like that? Why is the earth round? Why the clouds are flying up? So there are many questions which run through your mind, especially when you are young. Why not? Why by the by? So here again the poem says why not? Why by the by? This is the second stanza of the poem. He wants to know why wood should swim. So he wants to know why wood should swim. Now we know that wood is lighter in weight, that's why it swims on the surface of the water. But the child doesn't know this and he wants to know about it. Why lead and marble sink? So lead and marble are heavy in weight, so they sink in the water. So the child wants to know that too. Why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. So he wants to know about everything. Now there are some questions whose answers you can get. Some of the answers you can get from your parents, some of the answers you can get from your grandparents. But there are some questions which do not have an answer. So this child wants to know about all the answers, but that is not possible. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Now he wants to know what is making the clouds and why do they cross the sky. Now it is a logical question. Why the clouds are up? Why not down? Okay. Why sinks the sun behind the hills? Now why does the sun sink behind the hill? Why not in front of the hill? And why the flowers die? Now he wants to know why can't the flowers remain evergreen? Why do they have to die? Some of these whys are not too hard. Not too hard means not too difficult. They are answerable. You can find an answer. To answer if you try. So if you find the answer, if you look properly, you can find the answers of some of these questions. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. So other questions are like that whose answer nobody knows. Okay, so there is still time and we have to find the reasons of those. Okay, so we do not have answers of all the questions, but it is very good to be curious. Curious means eager to know about things. If you don't be curious, you will never know about new things, right? You always have to learn. You are always, even though if you are growing older, yet you have to keep learning. You have to keep asking questions and you have to keep learning new things. That only will help you to grow wiser. Wiser means smarter. Now after the explanation and reading, let us sing this poem. I know a curious little boy who's always asking why. Why this, why that, why then, why now, why not, why by the by. He wants to know why wood swim. He wants to know why wood should swim, why lead and marble sink, why sun should shine and wind should blow, and why we eat and drink. He wants to know what makes the clouds and why they cross the sky. Why sinks the sun behind the hills and why the flowers die. Some of these whys are not too hard to answer if you'll try. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. Others no one ever yet has found the reason why. So here we end the poem. I hope that you all enjoy this poem. Have a nice day. Thank you.